What's up, baby shower host? This is Ike Paz, the baby shower dude, and I'm gonna show you how to create printable pink elephant baby shower games, okay? Before that, if you don't wanna make your own printable baby shower pink elephant games for free, you can also, if you want, check out the link below where I have pre-made pink elephant 12 actually, pink elephant printable baby shower games with bonuses, okay? And that's up to you to get if you want. That's down below. There's also the coupon code YouTube. If you put in YouTube at checkout, you get $1 off. Okay, let's get into the tutorial guide. So to create your own pink elephant baby shower games, printable games, you're gonna wanna use two free resources, Pixabay and Canva, okay? So with Pixabay, you're gonna get free to use public domain images, okay? So for example, we wanna look for pink elephant, right? So we're gonna type in pink elephant and you have all these pink elephant images you can use, okay? So let's pick the one we like. Let's go with this one here. It's again free to use. Just click download and download the size you want. I'm gonna go with 1280 by 1280, okay? Once you download that, you're gonna wanna go to Canva, okay? Now Canva is an image editor that you can create PDFs and images with for free. There's a pro version, but you don't need the pro version. Now you wanna get into Canva and you wanna choose a US letter document if you're in the US. If you live internationally in Europe and whatnot, then you wanna use A4, okay? But let's do US letter size, okay? This is gonna work on standard print paper that you have in your house. Okay, so now that we opened up the white blank page here, you want to go to this little button here. It says uploads. Click that upload button and upload the image we just downloaded from Pixabay. Okay, now that we have this image here, we're going to create our template for our printable pink elephant baby shower games. Okay, second thing you want to do is go to this tab button called Elements. And you're gonna want to type in square. Really important, okay? This is not difficult. I'm no designer by any means, so if I can do this, I'm sure you can too, okay? Oh, I almost forgot. We want to actually drop the square into the template here, okay? We want to color this. You can design this any way you want. I'm gonna show you one way to do it. You want to color it pink. It's pink elephant. You want to stretch it out. Everything is drag and drop and extend, you just extend with your mouse. I'm gonna drag it to the ends here, the white ends. And then I'm going to drop another square. This time I'm gonna make it gray. I'm gonna keep it gray actually, because gray and pink go very well together. I'm gonna make it maybe a darker gray will work. And stretch it out again. Just like that, just like that, just like that, and one more time down here until it all works together. Actually, that's perfect. And I'm gonna put in one more square for our white background. Make that white, or actually an off pink, a very light pink. That works too, right? I'm gonna make this into a very light pink, almost a white. Very good, and stretch it out. This is where our game will exist. We're gonna have our game within this template right here. Stretch that out, okay, until it fits with your template, like that. Okay, now we have our template. Let's drop in the element, right? So the element here is these pink elephants here. Well, actually, let's make this white because it's gonna work better with these pink elephants. And we're gonna, put the elephants at the bottom. Okay. Now we have our template. Okay. Now, if you click this copy page button, you can add as many different types of games as you want. See, it just duplicates the template, and you can put in different games. For this example, I'm just gonna put Who Knows Mommy Best, okay? So I'm gonna write in here, I'm gonna click the text button here, drop in the text. Now again, if this is too much work for you, you can get the pre-made printable baby shower games designed by an actual designer down below. And this comes with 12 different games, including baby crossword, baby candy, word search, and a bunch of other ones. What's in your phone, a bunch of really fun games that your guests are gonna love. But let's get back to our design here. Let's write in who knows mommy best. Okay, bring it up to the top like that. And let's change the font so it's something that's maybe a little bit cuter, better than this one here. Let's go with, what about this one here? I like this. Boom. Who knows mommy best? Yeah, I like that. Let's change the color to maybe, nah, it's too bright. Let's make it a darker pink. That's cool. Okay, who knows mommy best? Let's end that with a question mark, of course. Let's duplicate this. Let's click copy, and we'll start asking questions about the mom to be. Okay, so let's change it. Let's change the font again. Let's make it something easier, less of a aesthetic and more of a question. I mean, not question, but more of a document style of a font. I think this works nice. Who knows mommy best? Our first question is, when is her birthday? That's a good question. Okay, for the mom to be, let's decrease the font size to 18. Well, actually, let's make it 24. Question number 1: Who knows mommy best? When is, oh, I made a mistake there. Okay, cool. Let's copy that. And I love Canva because it makes things so easy. Number 2, question number 2. Let's expand on this so we have a better understanding what we're dealing with here. Question number 2 is, maybe, what's her favorite movie? That works. And let's expand on that. Let's make this, make this into alignment left, like that. Very good. And you get the idea. Copy that and ask another question. For example, how did she meet the father to be? Okay, now of course the winner of the game is the one who gets the most gets the most correct, right? How did she meet the father to be? Okay, and you know, I recommend that you provide a gift, okay, for first, second, and third. You can put time limits if you want to the game, and you can continue adding as many questions as you want to the Who Knows Mommy Best game. And if you wanna create a different game, you just duplicate it like I told you, and again, change the questions into a different type of quiz, a different type of game, and proceed to as many games and make as many games as you want. Again, alternatively, if you want to have these pre-made printable pink elephant baby shower games that come with proven fun games that your guests will really enjoy, make sure you click the link below. And if you do decide to get them, don't forget to get the $1 off the price of $11.50 to make it $10.50 by using the coupon code YouTube. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to create pink elephant baby shower games. Hope to see you inside. Be good and take care.